By name Zovuntezeli Fabiano from St. Bruno Senkuma Senior Secondary School, Saza. My question is, Uganda is a part of Africa, and the motto of Uganda is for God and my country. But today in Uganda, there is full of corruption, there is misuse of land and land resources like destruction of forests, which disobey our motto. So our leaders who are coming in, what are you going to do for that?
How can you bring back to our real motto for God and my country? That's what he's saying. There's a lot of corruption. Umar.
Thank you. The solution to that problem is UPC and ROP. Because it is the only political party which has clear track record of putting things in place that can change, that can really, that people outside and inside the country can call Uganda part of Africa.
But the last time you were in power in the 80s, the people of Uganda were crying.
Yes. I agree that the people of Uganda were crying in 1980. But my sister here, my mom here, why? These are the people who are causing problems. So, along that line, UPC, if you want to Uganda again to be called a part of Africa, the solution is UPC and Oraro Tunu. Why? Simply because we are the one who can put schools in place. We are the one who can put infrastructures like roads in place. We can bring back the railway. We constructed so many hospitals. Okay, the issue of corruption, assuming February 18th you have given the mandate, in the first 100 days, what would the people of Uganda expect from the government of Uganda People's Congress? Our policy, our decision is very clear. First of all, we want to make sure that we rehabilitate all the hospitals, because the money is there. There's a lot of inflow, cash inflow from abroad to Uganda. And the taxes being charged by the people here. That's why you see the prices of goods are the inflation is very high here. So, so along that line. On your point, Umar, you seem to be suggesting that this government has created a lot of revenue. So is that what you're saying? Yes. A lot of revenue? Yes. Okay. So yes. Are you giving them credit for that? Sorry? Well, I give them credit on the basis of collecting much revenue. But those revenues are not transformed into things which help the masses on the ground. That's why I have a problem. So, by the time they came into power, we are collecting close to 6 billion. Now, we are collecting close to 6 trillion. But Makerere University was actually educating free, the people who were entering on free, on government scholarship, was 2,000. Today, we are collecting 6 trillion. They are actually educating 5,000 students. So that doesn't match with how much we are getting from the local and international revenue. Okay. So along that line, yes, it is UPC and Orarotu. Okay. That's one of the solutions to the problems of
yes, but I don't think they have by overtaxing it hinders development as well. And I think why it was little money the other day collected, the population was a little bit not as it is today. But I think the way we can go about this, many countries have experienced this, and the way they overcame this problem was adopting the system. It's not about a mere changing of regimes, mere bringing in other presidents, but if we change the system of governance, that will bring about stability, equity, equal distribution of resources. In the audience really talked about corruption and, in a way, people moving away from God, moving away from our motto for God and the country. I want you to speak on that, sir. Corruption is about over-centralization of power. It's got a lot, because when we collect through Uganda Revenue Authority, it's taken up, and they use it the way they want. But when we adopt a system like federalism, It will now be the people collecting the money and use it themselves and then send very little, a little percentage. Not to be too much to steal. Or to
I somewhat deviate from my friend's thinking. It's not entirely true that federal governments are not corrupt.
Nigeria. Alleviation. You know? It's about people. It's about laws. We ask a question. If we know that in Uganda,
What do you do up to the people?
I'm telling you that. The World Bank has said that since 2005, Uganda is losing 500 billion into corruption, just procurement corruption. Then what do we do? One, we strengthen the laws. The anti-corruption laws must be strengthened. Two, IGP. These institutions which are supposed to be handling corruption must not be corrupt by the government because they are partners if you look at them. Three, if you are going to fight corruption, you get clean leadership. It begins with elections. Make sure that elections are free and fair.